What's up, oh you crazy box breaking, card collecting, baseball and basketball fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. We're coming in at 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. Have 7 different breaks for you tonight. I'm going to start off with the new Bowman Inception Baseball. There's going to be 14 names in this one. Everybody's going to get 2 teams, so we'll randomize 2 groups. Up first, we'll do Group A. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy that and paste it against Group A as we have it on the website. Oops, some leftover from a football roster. Apologize. We'll quick format that. And there's the roster for Group A. And we'll do the same for Group B. We'll randomize it 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And there's the roster for Inception box number 1. And here is the first box. Each box is going to be a 1-pack with 5 cards, and everything's going to be a hit. Up first for the Red Sox, Bryce Brentz, rookie auto jersey patch. Red Sox going to Robert R. tonight. Congratulations, Robert. Up next for the Cardinals, on-card rookie auto, very nice, Shelby Miller. Cardinals going to Gary B. Congratulations, Gary. Another one for you, Gary. Very nice, Oscar Taveras. Let's get that in all one touch. So, Gary, you'll be getting this one as well. Congratulations. On-card rookie auto for the Rockies, David Dahl. Rockies going to Jaime. And for the Mariners, Taijuan Walker. On-card auto numbered 29 out of 99. Mariners going to Anna M. Congratulations, Anna. That'll do it for box 1. Let's get the roster for box 2. There are the 14 names, so we'll do Group A first. Gonna randomize it 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll get rid of the Jets and the Bills, just left over from a football roster. And there is Group A. And we'll do the same for Group B. Gonna randomize it 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There's your roster for box number 2. What do we got here for the Yankees? Ed Whitey Ford. 1951 series card. That's pretty cool. Yankees going to Stephen Yu. Congratulations, Stephen. For the Tampa Bay Rays, Will Myers. Rookie autograph jersey patch. Let's get that in a one touch. The Rays going to Dean tonight. Congratulations, Dean. Very nice. Ooh, what do we got here? Prospect Auto Gold Parallel, excuse me, Yasiel Puig. Very cool. Dodgers going to Dave R. Huge hit, Dave. Congratulations. For the A's, Miles Head on card, rookie auto. Going to Robert R. For the Padres, Max Fried, rookie auto. Padres going to Anthony F. And for the Cardinals, Stefan Piscotty, rookie auto. Cardinals going to Dean. Congratulations. Let's get the roster for box 3. And there are the 14 names. We'll randomize that list 4 or 5 times, excuse me. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here's Group A. We'll get rid of the Jets and the Bills on the bottom. We'll do the same to get Group B. We'll randomize it 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here's your roster for box 3. Up first for the Blue Jays, Roy Halladay. A remake of his first card. Blue Jays going to Tad tonight. Auto relic base, Anthony Rendon. So that'll be a rookie auto jersey patch. Don't know off the top of my head. Let me quick look that up. We'll figure that out. And Rendon is going to the Nationals. So John M. He'll be getting that one. For the Twins, J.O. Barrios on card autograph. Twins going to John M. For the Pirates, Gregory Polanco on card auto, numbered 11 out of 50. And the Pirates going to John M. Congratulations, John. For the Marlins, Jose Fernandez. Let's get a one touch. Marlins going to Brian L. Congratulations, Brian. And for the Pirates, Alan Hansen on card auto. Pirates going to John M. And up next, box 4. We'll do Group A first. Gonna randomize it 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Copy that, paste it against the list we have on the website. We'll get rid of the Jets and the Bills. And there's your Group A. We'll do the same for Group B. And here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And there is a roster for box number 4. Alright, good luck everybody. Up first for the Royals, Yolando Ventura. Autographed jersey patch. Royals going to Andrew W. Congratulations, Andrew. And silver signing gold ink parallel auto. Ryu Huin Jin. I want to say Dodgers. We'll double check on that one. Give us 1 second. And that is the Dodgers. So Dave R, you'll be getting that one. On card auto for the Pirates, Barrett Barnes. Pirates going to Ted tonight. Congratulations, Ted. For the Twins, Byron Buxton. On card auto. Another one for you, Ted. And on card auto for the Reds, Daniel Corsino, numbered to 99. Reds going to Ted. That'll do it for box 4. Up next, box 5, we'll get Group A first. Gonna randomize it 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There's Group A. We'll do the same for Group B. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here's your roster for box number 5. Then we got 2 boxes of the new gold standard basketball to go through. First for the Cubs, Giaskar Amaya on card auto. Cubs going to Tad. For the Giants, Clayton Blackburn. Short print auto numbered 25 out of 75. Giants going to Robert R. For the Nationals, Lucas Giolito on card auto. Nationals going to Dave R. For the Diamondbacks on card auto, Tyler Skaggs. Very nice. Let's get a one touch for that one. And Diamondbacks going to Ted tonight. Congratulations, Ted. For the Marlins, Christian Yelich. Rookie auto triple patch. Marlins going to Donald S. And entered to win a trip. Alright, it looks like. I think that's just a raffle entry. Anybody interested in that, let me know. And that will do it for box 5. Up next, the gold standard basketball. Going to be 30 names in this one. Everybody's going to get one team. We'll randomize the list 5 times. Paste the results against the list of teams in alphabetical order. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here is the roster for box number 1. Here is box number 1. Looks like they're putting the Kobe packs in this product as well. So Lakers will be getting this one. Dave R. He'll be getting all these Kobe cards. In the pack. First for the Celtics, Pete Maravich, number to 349, going to John W. For the Bulls, Nate Robinson to 349. Bulls going to John also. Looks like they're putting them metal cards in this product. This one going to the Mavs at Dirk Nowitzki. Mavs going to Dave R. Congratulations, Dave. Bulls, Marco Bellanini, number to 349, going to John W. Thunder, Kevin Durant to 349, going to John M. For the Pacers, Danny Granger to 349. Going to Dave R. And another one for you, Dave. Another Danny Granger. This one numbered to 199. Oof. First hit, gonna be a big one. For the Lakers, Kobe auto. And just keeps getting better for you, Dave. First one made, a 1 out of 75. Very nice. Congratulations, Dave. Up next for the Sixers, Arnett Moultrie, rookie on card auto jersey patch. Sixers going to Dave R. Pistons, Chris Middleton on card auto jersey patch. Pistons going to Tad tonight. And this one. Let's see a number on that one. For the Nuggets, Evan Fournier on card auto jersey patch. Nuggets going to Ryan K. Congratulations, Ryan. And for the Bobcats, Ramon Sessions, a jumbo patch, number to 199. Bobcats going to Tad. And box number 2. Here are the 30 names that bought into box 2. And we'll copy that list, randomize it 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll copy that and paste it against the list of teams in alphabetical order. Here is the roster for box number 2. And the Kobe pack going to the Lakers. So Dean C will be getting these Kobe cards. Up first for the Hawks, Josh Smith to 349. That one going to Ted. Bobcats, Ben Gordon to 349. Going to Scott G. Metal card going to the Mavs, Vince Carter. Mavs going to Dean. For the Bulls, Luol Deng to 349. Going to James C. Clippers, Matt Barnes to 349. Going to Jeremy B. For the Rockets, Samira Seek, super short print, numbered 8 out of 10. Rockets going to Ted. Congratulations. Cavs, Kyrie Irving to 199. That one going to Ted. For the Knicks, on-card rookie auto jersey patch, Chris Copeland. Knicks going to Dean. And for the Mavs, Jared Cunningham, on-card auto jersey patch. Mavs going to Dean. Redemption. Gold standard rookie auto, I'm assuming, going to the Bulls, Jimmy Butler. Bulls going to James C. Congratulations. For the Pacers, Orlando Johnson, on-card auto patch. Pacers going to Robert R. And for the Bucks, Brandon Jennings, jumbo patch, numbered 99. Bucks going to Ted. And that will do it for the Friday night breaks. We're back at it tomorrow with a 10-box case break of the new gold standard basketball. Got a few spots left, so take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.